Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today is day 11 of the Advent box openings. This is soft squares, the large box, 25 days, and this is Missouri Star Quilt Company, and it's 25 days. So let's open. Ooh, this is heavy. Day 11. Let's see, what's it say on this? Oh, $12 is the value. Guess I should have opened this sooner. Okay. Got it. Day 11. This is a handy box to keep in your sewing machine room. Quilters use a lot of tools, and these are the tools that keep everything working. Day 11. Toolbox. Oh, yes, those are handy. Got a little hammer. All your little tools, little pieces that go with it. Tape measure, electrical tape, come in handy. Pliers, that's pretty cool. I have Builder Bob that takes care of most of my stuff, but this is cool. That's a very nice gift. So that was day 11. Day 11. Oh, this is tiny. It's Missouri Star Quilt Company. And labels. This is 9 assorted premium labels that are great for your sewing projects. That's nice. Cool. So that was day 11. You want to come back tomorrow for day 12. Also, if you are looking, I always keep saying calendar, but if you're looking for 2026 quilt calendar, I have 2 of them available on my website, and they're free. So stop over and take a look at them. Looking at a squirrel outside. So thank you.